right, everybody, today is September 6, 2021, and as always, welcome back to Southeast South Dakota. So today we are recording yesterday's video, and the reason for that is what I wanted to record got pushed to today, Monday, Labor Day. And I'm here because we get a 3-day weekend at SDSU, so I got time to come down here. Soybeans are all starting to turn here. Everything's becoming yellow in the field, so they're looking pretty good. It seems like the entire field is turning at one time now after the 3 inches of rain that the farm got over the course of the last couple weeks, so that's good. Everything here is looking good. Now today we took the combine out, and Grandpa has taken the last week to replace all the belts on it, and I showed up Saturday and I helped him with the grain elevator belt, which was kind of a tricky one, and then one other belt he hadn't gotten to yet. So took the combine out and ran it and tested all the belts. They all seemed to be okay. He ran around and tightened a few of them, so everything's looking good there. Now today we're gonna head north of here a few miles to a cornfield that will be chopped for silage today. And it's actually same guy, Jed Olbertson, our baler, and I've also done a few harvest videos for the Olbertsons. He's gonna be chopping today with his operation. He's got a John Deere chopper. Don't know the number on it currently, so once I get up there I'll know, but basically he's custom chopping today. What that entails is they'll be starting today by just opening up the field, and that'll be all they do today. But that's all I can get in today because I got to go back to Brookings. But next weekend, hopefully I have some more silage operations that I'll be going to film. Hopefully that all works out, and we can get a few silage videos cranked out for you guys before harvest sets in, because I know there's going to be a little bit of gap here but before harvest starts, probably towards the end of this month. So without further ado, let's head north. You know how farmers' minds change all the time and they can't figure out what they're going to do for the day? Well, that happened today again. So I thought I'd be just doing silage videos today. I guess I'm going to throw in a little second cutting for you too. I guess Grandpa just decided, you know, we're at that point after all that rain. This grass has really perked up in the last couple of weeks, and it's actually grown a decent amount. So we're going to cut it and probably bale it. We're out here in the 7800 today and got the bush hog mower on the back. You can see it there. People always ask me why we cut so slow, and the reason for that is this pasture is pretty rocky, and we got a lot of draws and waterways in here that are just hidden in the grass, and it's just really rough in general. So we usually take it pretty slow, and plus it's a side mower, so you can't go super fast with these. Now if we had like a disc vine or something like that, then we could go a lot quicker, but again, this is just a pasture and this is all we do for hay. So rocky grounds and the mower we got, that's why we go a little slower, just to do a little better job and try not to wreck equipment quite as quick, I guess. This place is really greened up after those 3 inches of rain. I can't believe how green it's gotten in here. Honestly, with the temperatures today and just the fact that it's so green around here, you'd think we're in July right now, except the humidity isn't quite there. So but yeah, here we are a few weeks from harvest, and we're doing second cut this year. Didn't think we'd get to this point, but here we are. Well, I gotta get going here. Grandpa's coming out to switch with me, so I gotta hit the road. past that, Jed got started today. They brought a few loads in. I don't know how much they did, but I showed up and they were already moving, so I got a pretty decent amount of drone footage for you guys. I hope you are looking forward to silage and harvest, because I got a few more videos coming for each of them, so be looking forward to that. Sorry this video is a day late, but you know, things just got pushed back to Monday, and like I said, a lot of things happened that I didn't realize were going to happen today, so that's how the day went. I'm pretty happy I actually got a video out of it, so I hope you guys enjoyed. As always, thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed, and we'll see you in the next video.